Hey everyone, so I am going to be unboxing my first ever Distracted by Diamonds painting. I got it in the mail yesterday. I'm super excited. I don't think I'll get to start it anytime soon, but I wanted to come to you and bring you an unboxing video. So stay tuned for that unboxing. So this is how it's packaged. I'm not going to flip it over because I didn't black anything out, but packaged, and I'll flip it over. It does say do not bend and fragile, handle with love, so that's awesome. It did not come bend. Looks pretty good, so we're going to get to it and open it. My mailman actually was able to put it in my mailbox. We have a pretty big mailbox, but I was surprised he was able to do that. So I was lucky enough on Friday to get the Plant Witch. Isn't she gorgeous? You can see the glare. So I was able to snag this Friday night. She shipped it out Saturday, and I received it by Monday. So really super fast shipping. It does come in its Distracted by Diamonds box, Smile, Sparkle, and Repeat. It is cellophane shut. Now the box is a little bent, but that's okay. So we'll get started. We'll open it. I'm pretty sure this is a round one. So I'm super excited. I love witches. I got done doing the Bee Witch from Diamond Art Club. I just love magical things. They're so awesome. So you got a little sparkle on the box. Look how that box sparkles. We're going to open it up. So the canvas is not in anything, it's just in the box itself. Okay, so it is a little bit of a tougher canvas, which is fine. Stronger canvas. Oh, that's neat. I wonder if that's new. I've never seen that before. So, here she is. Oh my gosh, she is so gorgeous. She is licensed by the artist. Distracted by Diamonds does license this artist down here, Plant Witch. She does a lot of designs for Distracted by Diamonds. You do have your two-sided key chart. So on the right side, it's in the bottom. On the left side, it's on top, or vice versa if you switch that around, because it's how I'm looking at it. It does look pretty good, clear symbols. Trying to look to see if it's in some of the areas where it looks kind of the same colors, if they're very clear. They do have the circles around them. They're not very dark circles, but they do have, I think they call them, some people call them the stupid circles or the guide circles, dummy circles, I guess. But very clear, very clean color print on there. Let's see if I can get it to focus for you. Might not can. There it goes. Very clean, very clear, very gorgeous. So, let's see what we got over here. So, I've seen an unboxing video, and this popped out. I don't know if this is new for her or what, but this new little, cute little box popped out. Pretty neat. Very tight. As you can see, kind of a little hard to get in there, but that's kind of cute. Probably won't use this for this because this has 40 colors and that holds 5 colors. Looks like your standard toolkit set. Just your blue pen, your white tray. Ugh, can't get it out, but your white tray, if I can get it out, and then 2 wax squares. So a very standard thing, a single placer. I do like these white ones. They're a little bit bigger than the gray ones I have from Diamond Dots. but I do like those, but it is a little tight. And let's look at these drills. Now, I'm not going to undo these drills because these drills come in Ziploc bags. So if you use that type of storage system, they're already in the bags and they're already labeled. So that's pretty awesome. Very clear colors. Not too many blacks, so that's good, it looks like. Very pretty pastel colors. Look at that. Oh, aren't those pretty? Very pretty colors in there. And then you get your little sheet of paper. So what this is good for is if you want, you can, some people like to use, like I use these little boxes over here for my diamond paintings because I take them to work. So these little boxes come in big boxes like this. Now I have a lot of these boxes out because I'm working on a diamond painting, and they're out, but they come in these boxes that you put them in. These are from Harbor Freight, and I love using them. I take them to work. But a lot of people like this for stickers, and you can turn this into stickers if you have like a Xyron or Xron, however you say that, sticker maker or some type of sticker maker. You just cut them out and you can make stickers with them. Very easy, and you can put them on those. And sometimes I use the stickers from DAC on top of the numbers because their numbers are different. So that's neat. It gives you a little bit of information about the artist, or why they chose to purchase this artwork. Tells you to visit, you know, just gives you a little bit of information. It doesn't really tell you about the artist, but it shows you a picture, because some people like to have that picture. But I'm very excited. I'm hoping to start this one after I finish. I have 2 I need to finish. I'm hoping to finish in one this week, but very excited. Everything looks really good. The drills look good. They're just the basic circle ones, kind of like the DAC ones. No open ones by mistake. Very clean. Very pretty drills. So, if you want to check this designer, or not designer, but artist out, I'll put a link to the Paddywaxx Etsy shop. She posts certain times, so you will need to look that up on her website. And it's first come, first served. Basically, it's kind of like an auction. She only puts one up when she lists them, and once it's sold, it's sold. Doesn't mean she doesn't have more than one. She only sells one at a time. So it's kind of like a little quick draw there. So you'll want to check her out. I'll put that link below, and I'm super excited to start this. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channels, like my videos, comment if you have any comments, and I hope you guys have a great day.